see the title, you already know what's going on. I wanted to do an unboxing of this wig. I'm actually super excited because I've been seeing ISee everywhere, all over my TikTok, on Instagram, even on Amazon, which is actually where I got this one from. I ordered from Amazon just because Amazon has the fast shipping that I need. I needed it here the very next day. I ordered, let me double check before I start lying. Okay, I found it here. I ordered the ISee half wig human hair 18-inch Burmese curly with spiral curls at 180 density, and I got this off of Amazon. I will have this linked below. And on Amazon, it was $110. So we're gonna see if that's what they sent me. I purposely did not open this because I wanted to wait and do a video, so we're gonna do it now. So this is what it looks like when I open it. The box was kind of bent up, but that's fine. This is the Burmese curly 18-inch Burmese curly half wig. This is what it's given. And then also in the box, I think that was a pair of lashes. They gave me a pair of lashes that I will not be wearing. A strap, like an adjustable strap for the wig. A thank you card. It says, "Thanks, we hope you enjoy your purchase. All of our products are crafted with great attention to details. Embark on a journey of upgrade and discover a brand new you." ISee here. Okay, ISee. Wig cap too. Might need that. This is not a sponsored video. I am actually going out of town this weekend. I'm doing a weekend trip to Miami. I wanted to get something that I could get in the water with. However, I actually think it's gonna rain this weekend. Rain on my parade, quite literally. So we might not even get no water, but the hair will still be cute though. Now I done took it out and I did 18-inch because I felt like I didn't need a lot of hair. It does have the spiral curls at the end. So this is what the wig is looking like fresh out of the pack. At first glance, this really is exactly what they promoted online. It looks a little short for me, but at the same time, I usually never get 18-inch. I do like long hair. Not only did I want to do my hair for this weekend, I also wanted a hairstyle that I can wear to the gym. So what I'm planning on using this for, I'm gonna have the curly hair in the back and do like some braids in the front. I like insert one over here, but like a hairstyle similar to that, or like some kind of twist design or just something in the front, and then have the curly half wig in the back. The half wig did come with clips. It does have a strap on it already that's adjustable on both sides. I do love that. And they are removable, so if you want to take them out, you can take this strap out, unhook it like a little bra hook, so you can take that off. And then one more clip at the bottom, like a wider clip at the bottom, and then a drawstring. You should be able to adjust this hair however you need to. Even this strap has like the grippy stuff on the back, so it looks like the hair is going to be secure. I was told that I should wash it, so that's actually what I'm gonna do. The hair does kind of feel soft, like the hair does feel really good. And I am one of those, like, I love running my hands through the curls, but they was like, just wash it. So I'm gonna wash it and deep condition it and let it air dry. But so far I love the curls. It feels really, really good. The hair is soft. It actually smells pretty good. There's no like crazy smell to it or anything. I am actually about to go to work, so I'm gonna wash it and let it air dry and then go to work. I will do my hair tonight, so hopefully this hair holds up because y'all will be seeing it again. Like, this is gonna be my go-to look. I live in Georgia. It's starting to heat up a little bit. It was 80 degrees the other day and it's still only March. I already know the summer is gonna be hot. It's hairstyles like this, things like this are really gonna come in handy. So I really hope that it holds up and y'all will be getting an update. And I don't know if I mentioned, but this is not a sponsored video. ISee did not send me this wig. Amazon did not send me this wig, which is so crazy. Like, what are y'all doing? You can trust that my reviews are honest. I'm not gonna lie to y'all because I hate when people lie to me. I wouldn't want y'all to spend your money on something I wouldn't spend my money on. Trust and believe. If I didn't like some hair, I would say that. But honestly, I've had pretty good experiences with hair because I feel like a lot of the things that people say about their hair or when they start complaining, they don't know how to properly take care of hair. So even though this is a wig, it's not gonna be as much work as my natural hair. I'm still gonna take care of it like my natural hair. Still gonna wash it, still gonna deep condition it, still gonna really take care of the curls. So I just wanted to go ahead and put that disclaimer out there. I am not being sponsored. No one's paying me for my opinion. I'm giving it to y'all for free. Okay. However, that does not mean to say, ISee, if you see this, see me. I see, if you see me, I see you. We need to be seeing each other. You need to be seeing me in more of your wigs. Send them to me. That's my little promo. But yes. See, you already see the vibe. I'm gonna be wearing this thing with a hat. And it's cute. And I feel like it's perfect length. Like I said, I really don't like short hair. But I feel like this is long enough for me. With a hat. Okay, let me go wash it. I have washed the half wig. And this is what it looks like while it's still wet. The curls look good. I will say when I washed it, it was like a brown tint to the water. So that's why you always should be washing your wigs before you install them. But that's how it's looking. Halfway. And so yeah, I done washed it, put some conditioner in it, and I'm gonna let it air dry. And I'm also gonna put in, this is Urban Therapy Twisted Sister Salon Inspired Hair Care from London. It's a 30-second curl spray with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. Revitalizes curls and eliminates frizz. I can't remember where I got this from, but I've had this for a while. I'm just gonna spray it on the hair. Makes it smell really good too. Like it smells really good. And I'm just gonna sit it on my mannequin stand right here, and I'm just gonna let it dry while I go to work. I'll come back tonight when I get off to show y'all what it looks like. It should be dry. We'll see. Okay, now I have braided my hair up. The wig has dried. The tank is clean. Okay, so this is how I did the front of my braids. And what I just did is with the back of my hair, just 2 braids. Called it a day. I did put in like some leave-in. So I did a leave-in spray, a leave-in conditioner, some jojoba oil. Y'all know how much I love Garnier Fructis. And let me grab the wig. So here's the wig. She is pretty much dry. She's air dried. So this is what she looks like now that she has air dried. I did not put anything in her when I let her air dry. The only thing I put in was this curly spray, but I did not put any oils or creams in there. I really love the hair. The hair is really soft. So yeah, this is the finished look. Like I said, I didn't want to do a tutorial on me braiding my hair because I'm just not who you want to listen to when it comes to braiding. Okay, it was a struggle. Like to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To do 6 braids, it took me like 2 hours. I have no advice. I just kept doing it and redoing it until I feel like it looked decent. And this is just giving decent. Like I know that there's some mistakes. Like it's not perfect. However, it's good enough. And I didn't have to pay anybody to do it. So period. For 180 density, this is not bad. The style came out exactly how I wanted it to come out. Like I said, the only thing I still have to do, I'm gonna go back in and put some mousse on my braids and wrap my hair up and do like my edges. I love it. I love it. This hairstyle is gonna be perfect this summer. When it starts getting hot and my leave out don't stand a chance, I'm probably gonna get another half wig that's like a straight, like a headband wig, like a straight headband wig, because I love me a headband wig. I've had one for a long time. I wore that thing out. It is time for me to get a new one. I can't even use that one no more. And this is what I use to braid my hair down with. The BTL Professional Braiding Gel, Supreme Performance. It was like $5 or $6 from a beauty supply store. Yeah, girl, y'all really can't tell me nothing. My hair is done now. I'm gonna let y'all see it from the back. I really have no complaints. Like so far, I have no complaints from the hair. I love the curls. The length is growing on me because I feel like, again, this is like perfect length. Like it's not too much, it's not too short. Love the hair. Super quick, summer style, easy to do. I see you. I see you. And I hope you see me. Send me some free hair. Okay, because now I'm real interested. I get the hype. Let me know down in the comments if you love this video, what kind of videos you want to see. Like I said, the update video will be coming soon. Just leave nice, thoughtful things in the comments. Just talk to me, guys, because I love y'all. And I will see you in my next video.